Welcome to the channel. This is Stocks with Jacob. I want to quickly go over SPY and NVIDIA and a little bit of historical data I was able to research and find on the internet that I found really unique. So let's go ahead and jump right into it. Quickly though, I have to tell you the disclaimer that I am not a financial advisor. The information provided in this video is for educational and informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. I am not a licensed financial advisor, and all investments involve risk, including the potential loss of principal. Please conduct your own research and consult with a qualified financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Past performance is not indicative of future results. All right, so let's go ahead and jump right into SPY. We have this big red candle here, but as you can see, I got the fib tool pulled and it just came down and checked this 0.236 area. Is it looking bullish? In my opinion, it is. And let me show you why. I've got a little bit of historical data I was able to find, dig up on the internet. Check this chart out right here. This is the duration of bull markets since 1950 to present. So what do we have here? We have the majority of them. There's only one that fell below this 4-year mark, and that was in 1970. Currently, we're sitting right here in 2020. Here's the 1971 right here, which landed at about the 3-year mark. It looks like a little bit more than 3 years. So we're currently sitting right here at this 3-year mark. What am I thinking? I'm actually thinking it could be closer to 6 years that we could go. Why am I thinking that? Well, check out this other chart I was able to find. Let me see here. All right. So this chart is the bull market since 1950, the runs they made. Now, as you can see, we are, let me change the color of my highlighter here. As you can see, we are right here currently, this black line. The market that I see us following the most is right here, this the 1962 market. It's this purple line right here that right above this black line that I'm drawing. I'll get that off the screen now. But that's the market that I see. And look at this. This spot here, this spot here, this kind of whole upward area here is the same way, kind of right here. And you know, even down to like this here, it's just, it resembles it so well in my opinion. And what did this 1962 market do? Well, let's go back to that other chart and look here. We're at 6 years. So that's why, and right after, maybe it is one more year. I mean, right after this last big run, we came down to a 5-year run. We had another big run from 2009 to 2019, 2020, and that one was another. So right after that one, who knows? Maybe we do get another 5-year run. But either way, it's looking bullish for the next year to me, based off of these. All right, real quick, I want to go over XLY and XLP, or XLY versus XLP. You know, XLY is going to be your consumer discretionary, and XLP is going to be your consumer staples. We want to see XLY outperform XLP, like we've been seeing right here with this big bullish run here. XLY with your consumer discretionary is going to be basically like, you know, you're going on a cruise, you're out buying stuff that you don't really need, but because you've got a job and you've got money, you're buying it. So, and your consumer staples is going to be basically like food, things like that that you have to have. So we want to see this continue to push up. Now, yes, we do see that where it rejected off this level right here, we got this clear rejection off of it. Should we be concerned? I don't think so yet. I think that's normal. It hit a level of resistance. It rejected off of it. There were sellers or sellers who were taking profits there. Obviously, um, what are we going to see next? We just need to keep monitoring it. Let's quickly go over to gold, another defensive area, and see what it's looking like. Gold, as you can see, has pulled back just a little bit here. Now, is this a bullish flag here? Maybe, but either way, right now it's looking like it's risk off for the market. So this is a bullish indicator to me for the market. I just wanted to quickly go over that, and now we can jump back over to SPY and see what this is looking like. Now, you see the fib tool here, it pulled down to this 0.236 area here. Could we see it come back up here right now? Yes, I think we definitely could, especially with the Santa Claus rally going on, with inauguration of the president coming up on January 8th. Yes, I think we could definitely see it push up. Now, something else I wanted to show you that I was looking at earlier. Check out when you take this fib tool and you just pull it right back down. I don't even need to change it. And look, it came down and checked this 0.236 area right here and then continued right back up. Yeah, we had a little bit of consolidation for 2 weeks right here where it came down, gained some liquidity, found buyers, and it just continued to pump right back up. So, and this pump lasted for almost 3 months. Could we be looking at the same thing? Possibly. I like the way it's looking right now. We pull it off this level here. We see maybe this week we see it push up and then come down here to this 585 level to check it, and maybe it finishes somewhere in here or somewhere right in here. Maybe the next week, I'd like to see it make a new high before the end of the year. So Monday, Tuesday, the 30th and the 31st, I'd like to see a major pump go on and push it at least up here to 612 area, maybe 610 area, and close, and maybe continue a little push after that into inauguration. That's what I would like to see. And then maybe after inauguration, we come down and we check this area here before continuing back up for maybe 3 months. Maybe March would be when we see a significant pullback. I would like to see it get up to the 650 area, and then we have a nice healthy pullback from there. But that is my general outlook on SPY. My next 1 week outlook is obviously a pullback to check the level 585 level, and then hopefully a rejection off of that and pumping back up. We'll be monitoring it this week and be coming out with more videos as the market presents itself. Let's go ahead and get right into NVIDIA and see what it's doing real quick. NVIDIA to me is slightly bullish. We saw it come down to this area and check this 0.382. It didn't quite get to it. It obviously ended right in here. But NVIDIA is looking bullish. It pulled right back up, and I would like to see it remain above this 134.14 area. If we could see a weekly close next week above that, maybe we pump the following week, that 30th and 31st again, to continue up with SPY. NVIDIA does push SPY a lot. That is one thing that I've noticed. When NVIDIA is doing well, SPY is normally doing well. So that is my outlook on the market right now. I am bullish on it. I think this was a flash sale. I think they went down, liquidated a lot of leveraged positions, squeezed a lot of longs out, and now they're sitting there happy, ready to push this market right back up again for the Christmas rally. So I am bullish on it. Time will tell. We'll see what happens. I hope y'all have a great evening. I'm going to be releasing more videos here over the next few days. So stay tuned. Hit that subscribe button. Hit that like button if you like the video. And have a good night.